Good morning everyone and my dear students. Meet myself Ubaid Alam and I am the part of New Horizon Public School Amroha. As you all know that our school is teaching you through online class. That's why you are requested to join us in making this effort successful. Then let's go for today's class and I am your assistant teacher Ubaid Alam. And in the last video I told you about the chapter. Now I am going to give you short questions of the same chapter. And today's class is for 7th in geography and the name of the first chapter of geography is our environment, nature and human. In this video I will explain you about the short and long of the first chapter of geography. Firstly I will explain you about the short by which you can complete your work with the help of this video. Then firstly I will explain shorts. Your first short is how much water does a person drink in his her life. यानी एक इंसान अपनी ज़िंदगी में कितना पानी पीता है. आंसर है द एवरेज पर्सन ड्रिंक ओवर 60,000 लीटर ऑफ वाटर इन हिज हर लाइफ. यानी एक सामान्य इंसान अपने जीवन में 60,000 लीटर पानी पीता है. विच सब्सटेंस इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ लाइफ. जीवन की वृद्धि के लिए कौन सा पदार्थ जिम्मेदार है. यानी ऑक्सीजन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ लाइफ. दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. ऑक्सीजन. विच की जगह आपको क्या लिखना है. Oxygen. Oxygen is responsible for the growth of life. And your third short is how much water is fresh to drink in the world. Right answer is 2.7% water is fresh to drink in the world. यानी दुनिया में जो फ्रेश ताज़ा पानी जो पीने के लिए है वो कितना है 2.7%. ओके. What is ever changing surrounding called. हमारे आसपास के बदलाव को क्या कहा जाता है. क्या कहा जाता है. डू यू नो. इन्वायरमेंट. पर्यावरण कहा जाता है. ओके. दैट्स द करेक्ट आंसर. Then let's go for the long. With the help of this video, you can mention shorts and long on your notebook. Then now I will explain you about the long. Your first long is define environment. Which are the major components of environment? Environment को हमें define करना है और उसके major components क्या हैं. Okay. तो meaning of the environment. The term environment is derived from a French word envirer meaning neighborhood. In simple terms, whatever we see in our surrounding are called collectivity called environment. That is a place, thing and nature that surround and living organism is called environment. Components of environment. Our environment consists of two main components, natural and man-made things. These are also called the physical and human environment. And you are seeing on your mobile screen, your second long is describe in brief the geographical significance of hydrosphere. Answer. The total volume of water reserved on Earth is known as hydrosphere. Water exists naturally in three different forms: solid, frozen as ice, liquid, water, and gas, water vapor in the air. It can dissolve more substance than any other liquid. About 97.3% of the water in the hydrosphere is contained in the oceans and adjoining seas. And your third long is why is the biosphere important for us? The biosphere is that part of the earth which supports life and is inhabited by living beings. However, life is possible in the narrow zones where the atmosphere, the lithosphere and the hydrosphere come in the contact with one another. That's the correct answer of the third long. ओके ये आपके तीसरे लॉन्ग का आंसर है. आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर देखकर अपनी कॉपी पर नोट कर सकते हैं. ओके. एंड योर फोर्थ लॉन्ग इज व्हाट इज एन इकोसिस्टम. All organisms, whether belonging to the plant or animal kingdom, interact with each other and are interdependent on one another. It is called ecosystem. Okay. वीडियो से देखकर आप अपने शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग कॉपी पर लिख सकते हैं. इस चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन मैं आपको पहले वीडियो में दे चुका हूँ. आई होप you will do best and without wasting the time you will have to complete your work at first. Keep safe, keep healthy, stay your home and don't waste your time. Okay, thanks.